Hey guys, this is Shirish and you are on Bonsai and Gardening Zone. And today I'll demonstrate you how to grow green chilies in pot or containers and easy care tips from beginning to end. In this video, I'll show you how to grow 100% organic chilies without using any chemical pesticide or fertilizer, and how to use 3G cutting method on chili plant so that you can get hundreds of chilies from single plant. All that is coming up. Guys, chili is used all over the world to make food spicy. There are many varieties of chilies, some of which are mildly peppery like capsicum, while some are world's hottest peppers known like bhoot jholokia or ghost pepper from Assam, India. Guys, growing chili plants at your home in containers is super easy if you are little bit aware of its requirements. Today I'm growing this hybrid variety called as Jwala, which means fire. These seeds has high germination rate. Hybrid plants produce 4 times more chilies than ordinary variety and also prone to many diseases. Now before sowing the seeds, I'm soaking them into water overnight for fast germination. Now you can directly sprinkle seeds on the soil or use germination tray like this to start chili seeds. For better germination, you can make seeds starting mix by adding Vermicompost 40%, Coco peat 40%, Perlite or sand 20%. This will be a fluffy and moisture holding mix which will help the roots of seedlings to grow very well. Now fill it and press it gently. After this, sow 2 or 3 seeds in every section with some distance and cover seeds with thin layer of mix. Don't let these trays dry. Water daily till it starts germinating. Chilies need well-drained and loam soil with rich organic content. To make potting mix, you need garden soil 60%, vermicompost or cow dung compost 20%, sand 20%. Also add 1 fistful of bone meal and 1 fistful of neem cake powder, which is an organic fungicide. If you are growing chili plants in containers or pots, always use at least 12-inch pot with big drainage holes in it. It needs more space as its roots spreads a lot. If growing more than one plant in a single container, keep a distance of 12-inch, otherwise plant will compete for nutrition which will result in poor yield. Guys, this is the result after 10 days. Almost 99% of the seeds has been germinated. It's been 20 days after sowing seeds and the seedlings are bearing 4 to 5 leaves. Now it is ready to be transferred in containers. Guys, it's been 30 days after seeding. Now I'm performing 3G cutting method on this plant. I'm pinching the top of this plant so that it will encourage new side shoots. After 45 days, this plant has developed many new side shoots. Remove all the suckers which are growing from bottom area. It's been 57 days after seeding. Flowering has been started and new side shoots are coming. As you can see, a lot of new branches has been developed and our plant has turned bushy. Remember, the more bushy the plant is, the more chilies it will produce. Now this is the result after 78 days. As you can see, this plant is filled with dozens of chilies. These chilies are very hot. This plant will keep producing chilies till spring and stop flowering during summer. And if proper care is taken, it will again start production in next year. Guys, chili is a tropical or subtropical plant that requires a blend of warm, humid or dry weather. At the growing stage, it requires a warm and humid weather. Nevertheless, a dry weather is quite good for fruit maturity. Guys, we use chili in everyday cooking, and 1 or 2 plants are sufficient enough for our kitchen supply requirement. Temperature between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius is perfect for the growth of chili. If the temperature goes above 37 degrees Celsius, then the fruit development gets affected. Also, during heavy rainfall, the plant defoliates and begins decomposing. Chili plant can be grown between May to June or September to October and January to February. Chilies cannot withstand a lot of water. Heavy rain and waterlogging could spoil the plant. You should water only when it is essential. Continuous watering would lead to shredding of flowers and a burst of vegetative growth. Chilies are heavy feeders. Fertilize the plant with 1 fistful of well-rotten compost twice a month in a medium-sized container. Loose top 1 inch of soil and also add 1 teaspoon of bone meal powder every 15 days during the fruiting phase. Stop feeding your plants in extreme winter. Some of the major pests of chili plants are pod borers, aphids and mites. Ensure that only well-rotten manure is used. Also spray neem oil 5 ml per liter of water every 10 days. There is one more enemy of this plant, and it is virus. You will notice leaf curling and flower falling due to viral infection. If a plant is fully infected by a virus, there is no hope for the plant. Discard such plant away from your property and do not reuse that soil, as it may remain infected for years. Well guys, that's all for now. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and comment on this video in comment section. Consider subscribing this channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching and keep on gardening.